Time to turn to Michelle back at the Weather Center for the updates you'll need. Michelle, we finish off the month with rain washing away the dust and relieving us from the dry weather alerts.
Well, that's right, Daniel. Now, this rain seems to be transitioning us into spring. And currently, the rain clouds have cleared from Jeju Island, but it's still wet for the rest of the nation, including the capital, and snow in places, especially over in Gangwon-do Province. Now, although the rain has cleared away from Jeju Island, a strong wind alert has been issued. Until tomorrow morning, the southeast provinces will see between 20 and 60 millimeters, while Jeolla-do provinces can expect between 5 and 20 millimeters. Upper regions, particularly over in Gangwon-do Province, can expect snow, while Seoul will see mixed precipitation due to the falling temperatures overnight. Tomorrow, Seoul will start off the morning at 0 degrees Celsius. Daegu and Busan are warmer at 5 and 6 degrees. And the nation will be under clear skies by the afternoon, Seoul reaching up to 2 degrees. Gwangju and Busan will peak up to 7 and 12 degrees. Now, for the next couple of days, we should dress warmer because it'll be on the chilly side, but into the weekend, we should see some warmer temperatures than the seasonal average. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.